Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Nextdoor website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button if you haven't done so already. Now once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page. Now from your home page, just click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the settings option. Now from the settings option, just scroll down and you will find underneath your profile an option to move to a new address. Just go ahead and click on this option and then you will be asked to enter your new address. You can simply type in the street address and the apartment or the suite or the unit number and then click on the continue button and your address will be changed. You might be asked to verify your identity by entering your password, so once you verify your identity, your address will be changed on Nextdoor. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your address on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.